Hey everyone, Seth Licke here, Director of Assembly Operations and Service here at Morrison. Today we are going to show you our Inline Robotic Orienter. So you guys may be asking yourselves, why would we want to orient this container 90, 180, or 270 degrees? What you'll notice is there are a lot of different embossments on this container, but it is perfectly square. So as you depow this container, it may lose its orientation. But when you go to put a label on, you want to make sure that label matches the embossments so that it looks shelf ready for the customers who want to buy it. So that's exactly what we're trying to solve here. All right, so let's start by diving into the anatomy of the machine behind me. First, you will see we have our quick change in-feed rails. That makes changeover toolless and easier. We also have toolless quick change on the timing screws to again make that an easier changeover for you. Past that, we have a vision system that is taking an image of each container. And then we have our robot orienter at the discharge here. So what you guys are seeing here is that the system is backlog controlled by a retroreflective photo eye at the in-feed. It feeds into our shingle offset guides that also match the same angle as the first pocket of our timing screws. This is the most effective way that we see separating square containers and getting them accepted into the first pocket of the screw. Just slightly further downstream, after getting the container accepted into the screws, you will see the screws will rotate that container 45 degrees. That will put us in a prime condition to take a single individual photo of each container with the camera. After the camera takes the image of the bottle, it registers its orientation and delivers that information to the robot. The robot then accepts the container and turns it the appropriate amount of degrees to make sure that it is facing the correct orientation. You'll notice after the robot creates orientation, the screws are hubbed. There's two reasons for that. One, to give the robot room to turn the container, and the other is so that the containers come out square at the discharge. Well, hey everybody, thank you for tuning in. If you have further questions on our Inline Robotic Orienting Solutions, you can give us a phone call or visit our website. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully we turned your mood around.